Good afternoon, Hearne ISD, and welcome to this week's edition of the Eagle Check-In. This is Hearne ISD, where eagles soar. Great things happen for every student every day in Hearne ISD because we believe in keeping the main thing the main thing. And that main thing is student success, but only with you and your partnership with the school and community. In this week's Eagle Check-In, we're highlighting some of the end-of-the-year events happening, awards, promotion, and graduation ceremonies in spring 2024. Keep watching for more information. Also, we're talking about Hearne Summer Heat, this summer's Hearne ISD summer program. Be watching for more information at hearneisd.com or read the newsletter, published monthly, to learn more about that program. STAR testing has concluded in Hearne ISD. STAR results will be shared in June 2024, so visit Hearne ISD and the parent portal to make sure your contact info is up to date and you can receive your students' scores. There are many upcoming events here at the end of the school year and into the summer. Please check out your screen for a few of those now. Please be aware that this Saturday is Election Day. Every vote counts, so please make sure you visit your local election center and cast your vote. This spring 2024 is also the Hearne ISD bond election. Visit hearneisd.com for more information. The next Community Partners meeting for Hearne ISD will be May 16th. Community Partners meetings are where we work to coordinate shared time, resources, and people among the many community events happening in and around Hearne ISD. Please be aware that BB Casa and Robco ZT Texas Tobacco Free Day Carnival has been postponed, but the Firehouse Festival should still be on for tomorrow, May 4th. On Monday is Senior Decision Day at the Hearne High School Gym. Thank you to all of our senior sponsors. Every graduating senior was sponsored this year. The A&M Mobile Nurse Clinic will be sponsoring sports physicals this month for a small fee of $20. There are many events for the Reason the Dream coming up, including Painting with Mom and the second annual Father's Day fishing event, both happening in May and June right here in town. At the end of June is also a financial planning workshop with the Smith Welch Memorial Library. Check out the website for more information. Coming soon will be more details about the Community Resource Fair on August 1st in the elementary gym. Now for information about the end-of-year events happening in Hearne ISD. Each campus is shown with their events on your screen now. Please pause if you need more time to review the details and information on your screen. The last day of school for spring 2024 is May 31st, and it will be an early release day. Again, you can visit hearneisd.com, check out the Parents and Community menu, and visit Community Info if you'd like to learn more. You can also submit your calendar requests on our website at the following link.
Hi, I'm Allie Worster. I'm a family nurse practitioner, and I'm here to tell you a little about the Texas A&M School of Nursing Mobile Clinic. We are parked on site in Hearne every Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and it's a nurse practitioner run clinic, and we service the students here at the school district as well as the whole community and surrounding areas. We offer full primary care services, so that runs from the common cold to an ear infection to strep throat and flu and COVID to managing the chronic conditions that a lot of community members may be struggling with high blood pressure, with diabetes, depression, all of those sorts of things we're happy to address and help everyone out with.
Our mobile clinic offers complete primary care services. We can do prescriptions, vaccines. We even provide state-provided vaccines for those without insurance. We take all insurances except for Molina Healthcare, so we do take all the primary insurances such as Medicaid, Medicare, Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare, just to name a few. For those who do not have insurance, we do offer a sliding scale discount. What that means is based on your personal circumstances, we will offer a discount based on your income, your dependence of your school. We can offer up to as low as $15 for a visit, depending on that situation. So we have a great sliding scale and opportunities for anybody who has insurance or without insurance.
Thanks again to Texas A&M for providing this mobile health clinic to the Hearne community. The mobile health clinic is located outside the Hearne Elementary Gym on Fridays, but it is open to anyone in the community. Remember, you can learn about this information and more every week right here in Eagle Check-In. Check out our monthly newsletter that'll be posted online on our website and on Facebook, and connect with us on Facebook or on X at Hearne ISD. Thanks for checking in this week, Eagles. For now, we're checking out. See you next week.